STEM education is important because it gives a passion for invention and innovation and teaches kids problem-solving skills that they'll need for the rest of their lives.
Leadership skills that you didn't know some of the kids have kind of start to emerge when you put them into a situation that is more in their comfort zone.
There's some kids who are not good test takers, but then they can come in here and I can say, we're going to make this, and they can do that with ease.
It's a confidence booster for some kids that don't perform well in other academic classes.
It's not even completely academic to them. It's kind of like hiding your veggies. We hide the veggies for them in their STEM learning.
And we're a charter school, so charter school doesn't have all the top-of-the-line technology and resources.
I got an email about a DOE STEM grant. I wrote that grant, and we got awarded that grant. I don't think that we could have done it without First Makerspace. I would not have envisioned what we did without them. We use a rotational learning model. The hardest piece of that model is not having the supplies or not having the materials and not knowing how to integrate it into your classroom. They really played an integral role in helping guide us along that path. Our school is very diverse. We have kids that have plenty, and then we have kids that don't get their everyday needs met very easily at home. These spaces put our kids on an even playing field.
This is a big deal for some of these kids and parents, you know. They say, hey, I can make whatever I want in this class, and they get excited about it.
These kids want different types of education. In the 21st century, we need problem solvers, and this space cultivates problem solving.
We have the opportunity to really change how we educate students. STEM and Makerspace has to be at the forefront of that movement. There's so many opportunities that we probably can't even imagine yet that these spaces are opening up for our kids.